In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a read receipt in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Because personal Gmail accounts don't include built-in read receipts, you'll need to install a tracking extension. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and scroll down to select Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Email Tracker by Mailtrack and press Enter. Click on Email Tracker by Mailtrack from the search results. Click the Add to Chrome button. In the confirmation pop-up, click Add Extension. After installation, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Click Connect with Google and choose your Gmail account. Click Allow to grant the required permissions. Select the Sign Up for Free option to continue with the free plan. Once installation is complete, click Go to Gmail. Click the Compose button in the top left corner. At the bottom of the Compose window, confirm that the double checkmark icon appears. This indicates that tracking is active. Click the Mailtrack icon inside the Compose window to adjust your preferences. You can enable notifications, mobile alerts, or track multiple opens depending on your needs. Enter the recipient's email address. Type your subject line, write your message, and click Send. To verify if your email has been opened, click the Sent folder in the left sidebar. Look for the double checkmark icon next to your email. One checkmark means it was sent. 2 green checkmarks mean it has been opened. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.